Hey teachers, big news! After over a year of building and listening to your feedback, ESL Teachers Home is finally launching this Saturday. Do you remember when you helped me pick up the name and logo? Well, it's here. And it's not just another group, it's a real teacher hub where you can grow and connect. Here's what you'll get when you join. Welcome checklist space to help you get started right away. The community hub. Stay in the loop with announcement and weekly events. The teaching resources space, free lesson plans, tech tips, and more. Professional growth space, access career development and my innovative ESL teaching course, and more to come. ESL Livestream Hub. Don't miss my exclusive replays and Q&A sessions with special guests of the ESL livestream. Hobby clubs and off-topic oasis are spaces to relax and chat outside the classroom. And guess what? My ebook and course are the perfect pair for your teaching journey. Lessons They Love, your new ESL go-to guide. Innovative approaches in ESL teaching make your lessons unforgettable. Get them both at an insane discount when you join. My ebook is free from February 8th to February 13th, and my course is not $89. It's not $49, just $19. So don't wait. Join ESL Teachers Home now. Link is in my bio. And let's build this amazing space together. See you there.